I'm going to sublimate this glitter 40-ounce tumbler. I don't know if you can see the glitter in there, but there is a glitter, so let's sublimate it. I'm going to be using the sublimation oven, so I already removed the screws, and now I'm going to remove the handle. Now I'll remove the lint and dust with the lint roller. I created this design in Cricut Design Space using images that I had purchased on a cartridge years ago. And so I just printed this on 8.5 by 14 sublimation paper. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the registration marks since we don't need to use the Cricut. Okay, so I trimmed it down. Now I'm just wrapping it around. I'm trying to get as close to the brackets as possible, and then I'll just secure it with tape. And then I'll also wrap the bottom. Okay, it's all taped up. Now we're going to add the shrink wrap. I'm going to cut a hole so we can get the brackets through to try to get a tighter wrap around the edges here. Okay, it's all shrink wrapped, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 6 minutes at 355 degrees. Okay, while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and make a coordinating nameplate and a straw topper. First, you got to remove the protective plastic wrap. And this side notes that that's not the printable side, so we want to make sure that this side is facing up. So you're supposed to mirror the design, and then we're going to put the sublimation coating side, which is the opposite side here of this non-printable side. Before I tape it, I'm going to quickly take off this protective sheet or film just because I don't want it to melt. And then we'll tape it down. You can go ahead and place this with the print side up. And then we're going to go ahead and press at 356 for 120 seconds. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Super cute. There we go. Okay, for the straw topper, there's this little piece of aluminum that has a sublimation coating. Okay, I just pressed that real quick with the same temperature and time. Actually, this was for 60 seconds. And there we have the little Mickey. So this has an adhesive. We'll go ahead and remove it. This is a little Mickey balloon. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a Mickey balloon. So we'll go ahead and put that centered here. Like that. Super cute. It came out so cute. Look at, you can see the glitter a little bit, maybe in different lighting, but it came out perfect. So these come with this top, but I'm going to go ahead and put my Stanley Cup top on it so that I can use this nameplate. And now the straw topper. Look how cute that is. Has my name there, the straw topper, all glittery, very cute.